Welcome to episode number 5 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my own money in an attempt to turn it into $1 million for your sake, for your entertainment. If you didn't see the last episode, all of them will be down below, as well as you can also see the playlist on my channel. I have a playlist where you just sit back, relax, let the playlist flow, and you can watch all the episodes in sequence in order. So in the last episode, we covered my position updates as well as showed you how to get a free stock or several free stocks using Webull. And again, my link will be down below if you'd like to do the same. So we do have a bit of good news for you in this episode. Today is Good Friday, so the markets are closed, so there's no trading today. However, as of yesterday, my account is looking pretty good. As you know, my two positions are OXLC. I'll get to the other one just in a second, but OXLC, let's take a look at what it did on April 9th. So the market did very well, and this stock did have a good positive green day. Shot up 90 cents or 17.65%. So let's look at that 5-day chart here. So it is looking like perhaps an exit of its bearish territory, and the market in general is also having those signs and signals. We don't know what will happen. Some say the market could crash even more, or this might all be temporary and the country and economy may reopen sooner than later. So pretty solid recovery so far, looking like a bit of an uptrend here with higher highs and higher lows. I'll get to what that translates to as far as what my profit is, but let's look at ABR right now. ABR had an even better day with even more action after hours. Now it's touching almost $8 a share, so it shot up $1.21 or 18.33%. and then an additional after hours 16 cents or an additional 2.05%. Look at the 5-day chart, looking very good, where shot up almost 80% in just the last 5 days. 1 month, 6 month, and 1 year will give you a better visual. Not as much of a bullish trend as OXLC is looking like it might have, at least on these line charts here, but definitely it looks like that bottom is around 4 and change. There is some support there, and it did break off this top here, so perhaps we'll see some even higher highs in the days to come starting next week. And the company over the 5-year period has had a very, very stable uptrend, so basically hopefully this would return to normal and it's as if nothing ever happened. Let's go to Webull now. So just so you know, the Dow had a pretty good day, up almost about 300 points. S&P 500 also joined the Dow in exiting some bear market territory. Interestingly enough here, if you look at the hot industries on Webull, there is my stock right here, ABR. It's listed under there in diversified REITs. So let's go to my positions, my account. You take a look here, OXLC in the green, ABR in the green. Pretty damn good profit margins. Of course, those are unrealized. I was actually planning on potentially exiting today out of these positions, but today the market's closed, so we will have to wait till Monday. We don't know what will happen on Monday, but I might sell these stocks. Now you might be thinking that's absolutely ridiculous. You're only up under $10 on each position, but let's keep in mind I invested $100, not even the whole thing. I still have $563 in cash, so less than the $100 was invested, and both stocks have brought me a good return. This is a return that is very hard to do. Very, very few traders could replicate this kind of profit in the market. Remember, most traders lose money, and you look at the average yields on bank accounts, savings accounts, it comes nowhere near this. You cannot even touch these kind of profits. So OXLC, I'm up almost 21.5%. That's very large. ABR up almost 16% on that position. Now, in a utopian society, in a utopia, you would just rinse and repeat the same exact process, do it again and again until before you know it, you have now added many zeros to your account value, but that is unfortunately not the case, and you do want to take your profits when you can. You don't want to get too greedy when it comes to trading. So let's take a look at the order history here. I ordered both stocks on March 27th. So that would mean that I am in these positions if I sell them on Monday for a couple of weeks. Not terrible for just a couple weeks if you want to call it a swing trade. And remember in the last episode when I showed you my free stock that I am set to receive, let's take a look at that stock. Let's see how that one's doing. So this is the stock I'm set to receive, Viacom CBS, or ticker symbol VIC. And at the time when I requested that free stock, it was estimated that that value of that stock would be $12 and change, but now we can see it's a lot more than that. Now we're looking at $16.56 that it closed at on the 9th, and this could go up even more, just like the other positions I'm holding. Again, the average price, I would say that would be around like 40 bucks in 2019, so we never know how high that can go. That would only add to my account value, of course, but we're not going to necessarily include that in my earnings, but it is a nice addition, and I can use that. If I wanted to, I could sell it and then just use that cash to go ahead and buy more. I'd probably hold it until it would return back to its normal average price though. So my net account value now stands at $117.23. Could go up or down a little bit more depending on what Monday does, but that is where my account stands. You will be sure to see updates in the upcoming episodes, what I do with these positions. So stay tuned. Look out for the next episode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel for every single future video that I put out. And be sure to hit that notification bell as well. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.